Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Toyota Corolla ZRE 152 sedan, stock reference number 4028. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 12th month 2013. It has a 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2ZR 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right front and the rear end. We have the radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents. Left rear door has a couple of small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. We have the right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door 2 small dents. Right front door 3 small dents. And right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2 window type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black vinyl center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type,